good natural lighting is the main factor for a great shot. The weather had been cloudy and rainy for 2 weeks, and I knew that capturing a truly sharp image would be very difficult. Fortunately, today I got a chance. Nature gave me a window of about 2 hours of decent weather, so at 6 o'clock in the evening, I set out to look for birds along the river to capture some good shots for you. The sun was hidden behind the clouds. Birds were singing all around me, but they were perched so high that even with binoculars it was hard to see them clearly. Luckily, I noticed a bird flying low over the water. It was a white wagtail, scientifically known as Matacilla alba. In this area, you can spot them from late March to October. Their typical habitat includes urban areas, waterfronts and wet meadows. In my case, it was a male white wagtail that had decided to have a snack on a small island made of sticks and grass in the middle of the river. I managed to take a few shots before something scared the bird away. I continued my journey. In a field amidst the green grass, a cute kitten was resting, seemingly taking a break from its usual routine. I sat by the shore, hoping for a miracle as the golden hour was coming to an end. Unfortunately, I didn't encounter anything particularly interesting, but I spent the day in the company of furthered sinners. Birds often sit on the top of trees, facing the setting sun, singing their final song of the day, as if paying homage to the day lived. It was truly a beautiful sight. It's indeed a wonderful sight. I feel like putting my camera aside and just listening, enjoying this spectacle. The sun was setting behind the horizon. Someone was washing up before bedtime. Someone was having a late night snack. And it was time for me to head back home. I'm not sure if it was a good day or a bad day. You be the judge. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. It's very important to me. Thank you.